weather's not the most ideal, but at least we're not going to be too hot. I want you to think back to that brief I gave you when you first got here. Remember, mindset. This only sucks if you let it suck in your mind. 3, 2, 1, go!
Well, we just completed the 6-mile ruck march, and then we did the battle shoot. And, you know, we out here, if it ain't raining, it ain't training. The battle shoot, it went pretty good. It was just, you know, go up there and go.
Something like this is really good because it really shows you that your mind is much stronger than you think and that your body can handle a lot more. During the ruck itself, I didn't know if I could keep going. Like, I was like, oh, I feel like I'd be done. And now I'm over here, like, it really did show me just how strong I can be. And then having the experience just keep on going, it pushes you, and it's great for a cadet to know and increase their confidence because they know that they're a lot more than they think they are.
I will most definitely say throughout the ruck, this is probably the hardest thing I've honestly ever done in my life. But the way to motivate myself is that, like, the confidence for it, it's just I kept pushing myself. Like, I can't go back to my university disappointing my cadre and my family. Like, this has meant the world to me, and this is my all-time dream, so I just kept pushing through.